Hi students, welcome to second year accountancy class. We are in the fifth chapter, computerized accounting system, almost last answer. Factors influencing selection of pre-packaged accounting software. Factors influencing selection of pre-packaged accounting software. So try to understand that. In our previous class, we have discussed about differences between manual accounting system and computerized accounting system. Almost for the past 5 to 6 classes, I have been telling you that computerized accounting system has got so many advantages, like its speed, accuracy, reliability, accessibility, scalability, storage of large volume of data, security. All these advantages are forcing every entrepreneur, every businessman, shopkeeper to adopt computerized accounting system. So these computerized accounting systems are two types. One is like ERP, that means Enterprise Resource Program. The second are packages. That means an accounting software is ready. Simply you have to get it and install in your system, and you can start using it. So what are the various accounting packages, ready accounting packages are there, we will maybe discuss in the next class. So in this class we are going to discuss about what are the factors influence a businessman to select a particular accounting software. In market we have got plenty, we have got various ERPs and various pre-packaged accounting softwares are available. In Google also you can search what are the various accounting softwares available, from traditional old version to the latest versions you find at very reasonable rates. So simply you can install into your computer or laptop and you can start using. For any organization it is possible, small or large. According to our requirement we will select. So as you know that whenever a product is available in the market, it is not available in single brand. We have got various brands, at various sizes, at various prices, with various features. So normally we select any product according to our requirement. So certain factors will influence in buying a product. For example, if I wish to buy a mobile, I will have my own standards with respect to my budget, its features, durability, etc., etc. Then I will decide which brand, which company mobile I have to buy. Similarly, when various accounting softwares are available in the market, generally business people or say the entrepreneurs, businessmen will think of certain factors before buying the accounting software. So what are those factors that influence a businessman in buying the accounting software? First one is cost of installation. Cost of installation means the expenditure required to buy and install the software. Cost of installation means the expenditure required to buy and install the accounting software. Say one software offers at 10,000, another company offers at 15,000, another company offers at 8,000. So generally, every businessman would like to install something at the lowest rate, whether we can afford or not. The highest cost accounting software may have many advantages, may have great features, but we have to think about our financial capacity, whether we can afford that or not, whether it is required to us or not. Suppose you are an ordinary employee, maybe iPhone may be having various advantages, great security features, but you can't afford the cost of 80,000, 1 lakh rupees. No? So you have to think about your usage and your financial capacity. Accordingly, we will select a brand. Similarly, every businessman before buying a accounting software, definitely he will look at the price at which the accounting software is sold. The second one is data facility. Means the concerned accounting software what you have purchased, whether it allows the data accessibility immediately to other users, okay, whether it has got features of using by multiple users, whether you can edit the reports immediately, all such things also we will see. That means how much amount of data you can store, how fast you can share data to different branches or to different users, whether it facilitates multi-using, multiple users have got the facility of using the data, that we will think. Then ease of adaptation. Ease of adaptation means easiness in operation. Operation is not done by the doctors. Operation means using, or say simply using the accounting package. Okay, that means whether the purchased software is easy to use, easy to apply, or say the people, the accountants of our organization can learn how to use that accounting software easily, or it is a complicated system. As you know that certain systems require high level, highly skilled knowledge. Some accounting packages require simple knowledge. Even a non-commerce student can operate certain simple accounting packages. With 1 or 2 days training, you can get acquainted with the system. So nowadays, most of the accounting packages are user friendly. So any organizer, any businessman, any entrepreneur, before buying the accounting package, definitely will see whether the accounting package is user friendly or not. User friendly means easy to operate. Otherwise, it may be a complicated one. Okay. So that is the reason we see ease of adaptation, means whether we can use it in a easy manner or not. If it is easy to learn, easy to operate, definitely will buy. If it is complicated, then we have to think. If it is a complicated accounting package, that means complex, you require a lot of knowledge, more software knowledge, then you need to spend some money on your staff to train towards that accounting software. That also will influence your decision to buy. Then flexibility means, flexibility means changing according to our requirements. So whether the purchased software can be changed according to our requirements, whether the volume can be changed, increased or decreased, nature of business is changed, we can use it or not. So whether the package is flexible, then definitely we'll go for that. Then MIS reports. Nowadays, MIS means Management Information System is playing a very, very important role in the modern management. Okay, today all the multinational companies are following scientific management techniques. That means sharing of information with various branches and with various number of employees, okay, with various departments simultaneously. So in order to take quick decisions, we have to share information with all people working in the organization. So whether the taken accounting package allows you to generate MIS reports or not, that also we have to see. So if that facilitates, that allows you to generate MIS reports, definitely it will be an advantage. Otherwise, if data sharing is not possible, reports cannot be generated, information cannot be shared with other departments, then it will be a hurdle for us. Then security features. The other day I told you, every organization would like to store their data with utmost secure, because if the data is stolen, if someone hacked, someone manipulated your information, then that is a great danger to our organization. So whatever the accounting software we buy, we apply, we adopt, it must store our information, our data, without possibility of leakage or say hacking or say theft. So nowadays data stealing is a very dangerous thing in the market. most of the international hackers, terrorists, our competitors may hack our computers and may steal our data, and they may create a lot of damage for our business. So that is the reason whatever the accounting package we apply, that must ensure that our data is safe. Then we will buy such type of package only. Then size of our organization. So as you know that different accounting packages are available, we have to decide what is our requirement. Like when you buy the mobile, you think about the storage capacity. It's MB, GB, okay, RAM, 4 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB, like that, and the battery also, 2000 mAh or say 6000 mAh, how many hours it gives backup. So like that, whenever we buy the mobile, we think about these two features, about the RAM and battery. Similarly, when an organization has to buy the accounting package, it has to think about its volume, whether your organization is small or big. So in market, various packages are available according to the size of the organization. So okay, then the last one is vendor's reputation. Who is the vendor? The software company which has developed the accounting software is the vendor. Vendor means bechne wala, seller. So the seller of the accounting package is known as vendor. So definitely, whenever we buy a product, quite naturally we look at the brand. Means if the company is reputed, reliable, then we will decide. We will go for that product. If the company is new to the market, like you see, normally we don't believe the China product. So there is no guarantee of that product. So like that, who has manufactured, definitely we'll look into that. So similarly here, before buying the accounting package, we see whether it is developed by IBM or Wipro or say other companies, okay, Microsoft, like that. Now you see in the entire world, operating systems are popular by Microsoft. MS Office only everyone use. Before that, there were so many operating systems, but the flexibility we have, the advantage we have got with MS Office, okay, is wonderful. So in the entire world, we use operating systems developed by Microsoft only. So like that, based on different companies and their reputation, we will decide. So if a good company has come out with a accounting package, so we prefer that company's product because we rely and we believe that the product delivered by so and so company will be very good and it may give you good service. That is how the last point which influences the purchase option is the vendor's reputation. The company which has prepared, which has produced the accounting package, if it is a good one, we'll go for that. Okay, these are the factors which influence the decision of a businessman in purchasing the pre-packaged accounting software. So in the next class, we'll discuss about various accounting softwares.